beautiful devs, welcome back. So in this video we will just learn about Webmaster tools. So what is Webmaster tools? So it is a tool from the Google Webmaster tools which will add your website to Google search engine, okay, Google search console you can say. So here you can see that we have the Google Webmaster tools, Google search console. If you click on here, you can see we can log into our account. So in this case I have already account here, and for a website. So here you can see that this is a performance thing here for the incern.org, and these are the Webmaster tools. So whenever we want to submit our website to Google search engine, we have to actually add our website or submit our website to Google Webmaster tools in a proper way by creating a sitemap. Similarly, we have the Bing Webmaster tool as well. So if we go to Bing Webmaster tool, we will have the Bing Webmaster tool as well. Similarly, like Google, we have a Webmaster tool for the Bing as well. And for some other search engines like Yandex, etc., we also have the Google Webmaster tools. So you can actually submit your website to Google Webmaster tool. So what will happen when we will add our website to our Google Webmaster tool? Our website will be submitted to also we will get certain details about our domain, okay. So here you can see that for our website, if we go to the details on the left side, you can see we have the sitemap, we have the performance. So here if we go to sitemaps, you can see that for that website I have submitted a sitemap which has 679 pages, okay. And if we go to the performance of our website, you will see that this website has this much clicks, this much total impression for I think the last 3 months or 1 month maybe. And here under this you will find out the queries, so that these are the keywords for which our website is actually ranking. And you can see that these are only the 10 keyword on the main page, and this type of pages are around 939. So you can say that 9,039 keywords for this much, or around 10,000 keywords, this website is ranking, okay. So in this way, this is a very useful tool, the Google Webmaster tool. And in next video we will see that how we can submit our sitemap to Google Webmaster tool.